Welcome. We are visiting Vedic mathematics, science, and technology scriptures. The first scripture being taken up is Surya Upanishad. Surya Upanishad is the Upanishad of Atharvaved, is of Atharva Angiras stream. This scripture is composed in a prose form. There are 8 paragraphs in all. These paragraphs are organized as sentences. There are precisely 74 sentences. Today, we are visiting 5th paragraph. One shall be through these paragraphs in the sequential order in which these mark their presence in this scripture. The first paragraph is leading to 9 is being taken as Chand, the organization as Chand is the basic feature of organization. Paragraph 3 is the enlightenment as to Surya is Atma of the Jagat, and the entire range of physical manifestations. Surya as the Upadan Karan is the enlightenment paragraph. Paragraph 4 is a composition of 10 sentences, and in these 10 sentences, there is enlistment of Surya as Upadan Karan, and these creations, manifested creations, are of 10 folds. Today, we are reaching paragraph 5. Here in this paragraph is the enlistment in 16 steps of the creations, the sequence of the creations enlisted here are as Vayu, Bhumi, Apa, Jyoti, Vyoma-disha, Deva, Veda, Mandal, Aditya, and Antahakaran, Man, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankar. Then Vyan, Saman, Udan, Apan, and Prana, Shrotra, Tvak, Chakshu, Ras, Ghrana, Vak, Pani, Pad, Upayu, Upasth, Shabd, Sparsh, Roop, Ras, Gandh, Vachan, Adan, Gaman, विसर्ग आनंद, आनंदमय, ज्ञानमय, विज्ञानमय. These 16 steps deserve to be tabulated sequentially. The tabulation on the screen is these 16 compositions, formulations form Vayu, Bhumi, Apa, Jyoti, Vyoma-disha, Deva, Veda, Mandal, Brahm, Antahakaran, Man, Buddhi, Chit, Ahankar, Vyan, Saman, Udan, Apan, Prana, Shrotra, Tvak, Chakshu, Ras, Ghrana, Vak, पाणी, पाद, उपायु, उपस्थ, शब्द, स्पर्श, रूप, रस, गंध, वचन, आदान, गमन, विसर्जन, आनंद, आनंद में, ज्ञान में, विज्ञान में. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to be parallel with the Vedic system shall sequentially be through these formulations and then to reach at the TCV values of this set of formulations. It is Surya Upanishad and it is about Aditya Jayate, the things formed, created with Aditya as the creation format, as the Upakaran. Aditya formulation is of TC value 16, Jayate is of TC value 18, values pair 16 and 18 are of the reach of Anandamay, Vigyanmay, Gyanmay formulations. Then this entire range is going to be a range of 1003 summation value. Reach at 1003 as the summation value, TC value of this entire set of formulations. Reach with whose comprehension and with whose imbibing it may be possible for one to have proper initiation in the organization as well as the knowledge of this scripture. Surya Upanishad is the source scripture. It is the scripture in terms of which one can have proper initiation in the Vedic system, starting with Surya Upanishad and reaching up till Srimad Bhagavad Gita is in a way a one course, one path, one initiation steps. Sadhakas fulfilled with the intensity of urge shall be through these 16 sentences, formulations of paragraph 5 of Surya Upanishad and be parallel with the format, values, features, organization and knowledge. Thank you very much.